big freaking deal. Any AI DJ could talk over a song intro.
Afternoon, I'm Stacey V. It's around 1:30 and 60 with overcast skies. Now here's Bruce Springsteen on XXX 80s.
But only one AI DJ, RoboDJ V3, can do this.
XXX 80s, Stacey V here. We've got Tina from Venice.
Hi, so my husband he deployed yesterday and I wanted to send him something special, you know? Could you play Invisible Touch by Genesis?
Tina sending all the love his way. Here's Genesis on XXX 80s.
Hey, this is Wendy from Atlanta, and honestly, today has just been the absolute worst. So can you please play I Love Rock by Joan Jett? I need this right now. Thanks, XXX 80s.
XXX 80s, it's Bill McShay. Hello, Stacey from Venice.
Oh, hey. So I was cleaning out my garage this morning and I found the keys to my first car, this beat up Honda Civic, and it just brought back all these memories of driving around with my best friend, senior year, windows down, screaming along to the radio. Could you play Everything She Wants by Wham?
Love it, Stacey. Here's Wham on XXX 80s.
I'm Jeff, the radio DJ dude. I've been rocking major market mics since 15, and I'm here to help you make radio fun again. And nothing makes your station sound bigger and more fun and alive than listener phone calls. RoboDJ V3 is the only system that could light up your request line, even if you don't have one.
XXX 80s, Corey Michaels here, taking a call from Jenny in Los Angeles.
I'm thinking back to that Christmas morning when this was playing while we opened presents. Yeah, play Don't You Want Me by the Human League.
Jenny, that Christmas morning vibe is literally a whole mood. Here's the Human League on XXX 80s.
But come on, let's back it up a second. If you're new around here, well, here's the deal. Internet stations, they kind of have a big problem. Well, they sound like internet stations. No buzz, no energy, no listener interaction, and honestly, some FMs suffer from this too. You're basically a playlist with a logo. And the other AI DJ tools, well, most of them just slap a robot voice over your song intros and call it a day. No, that doesn't work for me. I wanted to fix that, and I cannot wait to show you more of RoboDJ's listener tricks. But come on, real callers, they have more than just requests on their mind.
This is XXX 80s, Bill McShay hanging out with you, and from San Diego, we've got Patty on the line.
Hey Bill, what's going on this weekend? Just trying to figure out some plans that aren't sitting on my couch again.
Oh, we've got you covered. Couch avoidance is kind of our specialty. XXX 80s is doing a live remote from the Ventura Swap Meet this Saturday from noon to 3. The whole morning show will be out there and you can swing by, say hi, and maybe score some prizes. Come hang with us, Patty, and keep it locked on XXX 80s. More of your favorite 80s coming up.
Now that RoboDJ has a research team built in, along with new RSS functionality, you could create dynamic content that keeps any format sounding fresh.
This is XXX 80s, Bill McShay hanging with you, and on the line we've got Megan from Ventura.
Hey Bill, I am such a huge Billy Idol fan, and I'm like totally fired up over here. I was wondering if you've got any recent news on what he's up to these days, yeah?
Megan, love that rebel yell level enthusiasm over there. Billy's very much still at it. There's a brand new documentary, Billy Idol Should Be Dead, that just hit theatres after premiering at Tribeca, digging into his whole journey from punk kid to MTV legend. Thanks for the call, Megan. This is XXX 80s. Stick around, more 80s classics on the way.
And this isn't just a party trick. No, there's real psychology here. When a listener hears another listener on the air, it signals your station is alive. People care enough to call in, and that creates real engagement. And that's the play. Use the AI callers to spark the conversation. Then let your real listeners jump in through the brand new listener inbox, which I'm going to show you in a second. Okay, you get it. RoboDJ V3, it's all about infusing listener love into your stream. And that makes your station sound way bigger than it is. And if you've ever hung out with me before, you know that that is my jam. Phoners were my secret sauce when I was rocking major market mics. But I always wondered, how can we create that electric energy for our little internet stations, which don't have any phone lines or anyone to answer them?
Hey, Triple X 80s. This is Erin in Ventura, just cruising home and thinking about my prom night when the whole gym lost it to Word Up by Cameo. So, can you play that for me?
So that became my obsession for version 3. And maybe one reason RoboDJ is the only AI DJ system to offer it, well, at least before the others rush to rip it off, it's because I am an old radio dude. I got started when I was 15, and creating fun and engaging live radio was a true passion. And now it shapes every decision for RoboDJ. Now, we'll go back to the phone lines and actually take real listener callers in a second, but it's not the only eye or ear catching enhancement. Let me show you AirShift, RoboDJ's reimagined scheduling system. This is where it all happens. This is where you schedule your AI DJs. And you're not just limited to one voice per shift. You can add specialty voices to deliver the news, weather, special features. It all happens here. But to call them voices is really an insult to what they've become. Now you're able to create custom AI radio personalities that not only influence the sound of their voice, but shape the personality of their scripts. But enough blibber blabber. Using the built-in personality profiles along with the promo topics library allows you to make your AI jock sound a little too real.
Oh my gosh, can we talk about Don't You Want Me by the Human League just now on Triple X 80s? I was in that new cafe downtown with a giant mocha latte, the foam art looking like a cat. And this song just took the vibe to a whole new level. I'm Corey Michaels. Another 10 in a row starts next. Get ready for some Southern rock magic because 38 Special is on deck, only on Triple X 80s.
And it's stupid simple too. Version 3 has 3 built-in AI assistants to help with crafting AI DJ personalities. Just answer a couple questions right here. And there's one to help you with a custom station profile, which can also affect the tone of your scripts. And as for scripts, well, oh my God, this is super cool. I've integrated my popular Prompt Doctor tool right into the prompt library. So if you have an idea for a fun radio feature but you don't speak bot, well, just ask the doc for help. And you could quickly create prompts to generate custom content for your station. Anything else look new? Well, sure, adding music beds to voice tracks has been around since version 2, but now you could create real-time radio imaging elements with the new outro audio feature. So coming up, we've got ABC's Poison Arrow and Billy Idol White Wedding. Sure, you could do a boring segue or even throw in a generic station jingle, but why not pump personality into your production?
Shoot that poison arrow! From Poison Arrow straight into White Wedding, because nothing says lifelong commitment like starting with a toxic projectile. Triple X 80s.
Again, these are imaging sweepers being created real-time and yes, hands-free. Even 92% of the big guys don't do this. And that is the point. RoboDJ version 3 is going to make your station sound bigger than it really is. I know we're just getting warmed up, and in a minute I'm actually going to show you something no other AI DJ system can do. Yes, it's taking real listener phone calls. But first, let me drop this on you. The leading AI DJ service charges over $1,200 a month for super limited functionality. RoboDJ version 3 does more. We're talking way more, and it's not even in the same zip code price-wise. So stick around because I have got some really sweet launch bonuses coming up. Really, it's just going to make this a no-brainer. But I know I teased you with real listener interaction. Well, let's get back to the fake phone lines, because in the listener inbox module, this is where you can integrate text and voice messages from your living and breathing listeners. You just throw this form on your website and then listen to the magic. Here's what happens when somebody actually lets their fingers do the talking.
Triple X80s, Tyler Stone here, and Earl in Topeka wants to wish a happy anniversary to his sometimes wonderful wife Cindy, proving love is best with a sense of humour on Triple X80s.
Now let's fire up the listener flux capacitor and see what this baby could do. Hey there, it's Jay. Just wanting to send a big congratulations to my wife on her new job. Congratulations, baby. After a listener records a voice message, well, that message hits your listener inbox where it's then transcribed and then automatically checked for any bad language, and then it's sent to your AI DJ.
Triple X80's Corey Michaels. Jay in Encino is calling in.
Hey there, it's Jay. Just wanting to send a big congratulations to my wife on her new job. Congratulations, baby. Since this feature uses a separate server for all the message processing, there is an additional small monthly fee. Now, a lot of you, I get it, you have an unhealthy obsession for the weather, and no judgment here. I'm just going to tell you that the forecast is looking stellar for RoboDJ's weather system because it got a boost, and now you can mention multiple locations in your forecasts.
Sunshine is the headliner today. Bright, clear skies all the way up to 79, with that low settling at 49 under clear conditions tonight. Tomorrow brings a shift to partly cloudy, topping out at 63 with a low of 49. Right now, it's 66 in Woodland Hills, 64 in Venice, and 66 in Los Angeles.
Okay, here's the deal. RoboDJ version 3 is, I'm just going to say it, one of the most feature-packed AI DJ systems on the planet, and it costs really just a fraction of what the other guys charge. We're talking $12.50 a month for the competition versus, oh my God, you're gonna love this. Just go check the link below for the current pricing because I really want you to see those numbers for yourself. And for launch week, or maybe for the next couple weeks, I'm sweetening the pot. Yes, you're gonna pay less, but you grab an annual plan and oh my goodness, you ready for this? You're gonna get a limited edition RadioDJ Dude coffee mug. But if you go lifetime, and honestly, that's where the huge savings is, you're gonna get the mug plus over 50 premium radio content prompts, my AI personality framework system, and a music bed and sound effects starter pack. So I want you to bookmark these deals, but first I need you to take it for a free 2-week spin to make sure it actually works for you. I don't want you buying it before you try it. While we've spent so much time on the phone like a Red Bull addicted teenager, RoboDJ still nails all the basics.
That was Blue Jean by David Bowie on Triple X80s. Bowie once said he didn't even like his own voice. Evidence of insanity? Who judges Bowie? Only Bowie. I'm Corey Michaels. Another 10 in a row starts next. Coming up, the powerhouse herself. Get ready for Pat Benatar on Triple X80s.
What hit song made people literally obsessed with its controversial theme? This track caused an insane stir back in the day. It was recorded at a famous studio in New York and features a string arrangement inspired by classical music from 1986. It's Papa Don't Preach by Madonna on Triple X80s.
Classic alternative villageradio.net. I'm Mark Monroe and I've got a little station buzz for you. Did you know you can be a radio star? Hit that voicemail button on villageradio.net to send us a shout out and maybe hear your voice on air. Stand by for Iggy Pop next on Village Radio.
Not to beat a dead bot, but this is revolutionary stuff for your station. Because most AI DJ competitors, they're just gonna pick your pockets for an obscene amount in exchange for far less functionality. Not only is RoboDJ version 3 the most creative and personality-packed AI DJ, it's also the most affordable. I mean, considering what it could do. So why are you still listening to me blather on about it? Go grab a free 14-day trial and witness the robo magic for yourself. Actually, I insist, please don't buy this before you give it a try. I really want to make sure it's a good fit for you, and there's no credit card going to be swiped, no guilt trip, no awkward breakup. If it's not your thing, it's all totally cool. And I kind of buried the lead, but RoboDJ version 3 is now compatible with some big time systems, Playout One Pro and Myriad. So currently it works with all these playout systems, and hopefully yours is on the list, but if not, please reach out to me, because that's how a lot of these integrations actually came to be. So I want you just to go nuts, but promise me one thing. Please run through the updated setup wizard. It's going to totally hook you up, make this a stress-free situation. I also want you to watch some of the new training videos. This thing is so powerful, and I want you to crush it and not curse it. All the links are below. Please take RoboDJ for a fun spin and go make your station sound bigger than it really is. I am Jeff, the Radio DJ Dude, and please let me know what you think of version 3. And until our next little radio rendezvous, you keep rocking those mics all over the world.